Greetings guys, today I'm going to be talking about embryonic and also low differentiated tumors of the nervous system. Embryonic and low differentiated tumors of the nervous system. These include highly mitotic, which means participating in mitotic division, sarcomas, which can also spread to the cerebrospinal fluid, and the subarachnoidal space. These tumors are of high interest for scientists because they are very aggressive. Aggressive in meaning they infiltrate easily. As you might remember, we have 4 types of classification for tumors, and these are classified as the most severe in class 4. The embryonal tumors or the embryonic tumors are usually more common in children. The same thing is also applied to the low differentiated tumors. Usually these both go hand in hand, and on microscopic view we will see hyperchromatic, meaning they have higher quantity of chromatin. This is the result of what we saw earlier. We had higher mitotic activity, which means division is an intensive process. We can also search for cellular transformation to diagnose this particular type of tumor. Here I've added a microscopical view of what I just talked about. The histological view reminds us of the development of the embryonic nervous system. Embryonic development. As you can see from the blue color, these are also known as small blue cellular tumors. These type of tumors are very important for pediatrics because, as I already mentioned, they are very common in children, not so spread in adults. The two main subdivisions we must look at are the medulloblastomes and also neuroectodermal tumors regarding the ectoderm. As you know, the medulloblastomes are typical for the vermis of the cerebellum or the small brain. These medulloblastomes are very dangerous because they could metastasize through the cerebrospinal fluid into the spinal cord or medulla spinalis. Now, moving on to the diagnosis, usually we rely on the histological findings and also immunohistological methods. Immunohistological. Also in recent years we have utilized the molecular and genetic findings. These help further differentiate the tumor, and this could lead to better treatment because we know what the exact mechanism of development would be. So this gives us a better prediction rate because every tumor, despite there being a main theory that's aligned with every type, could follow its own path of development, meaning every tumor is individual. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.